Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about collector plates, specifically from companies like Bradford Exchange. So Bradford Exchange was established around 1973, I believe, and they do all kinds of collectible items. One of the most prevalent that you'll see advertised in magazines or in your newspaper circulars, and they put out series of plates with different themes. Sometimes it'd be Disney or Norman Rockwell. It might be kittens. It might be hunting things, butterflies. But they pick different themes. And when they release a series of plates, they'll usually do a series of about 5,000 to 15,000 plates. They come lovely packaging. They have a certificate of authenticity. The back of the plate has the name of what the design is, as well as they're all numbered so that you know what number it was in the series. So it appears as though, this is a very important thing, but it's not. When I have someone call me and they say, I have some collectibles and things that I want to sell, can you help me? And I ask them what they have and they go, I have collector plates. I'm like, yeah, no. And they're like, oh, but I have all the packaging. I have their certificates. Everything's brand new. No, just because something is sold as a collectible, that doesn't mean it has value. So I can tell you, you can buy them on eBay, you can buy them on Etsy. Sometimes you'll go into an antique shop and you might find some there, but usually the antique dealer was maybe at an auction, bought some things and the plates just kind of came along with, so they put them on their stand and put a price tag on and hope they sell them. But around here, if I'm cleaning out somebody's house and they've got collector plates, they go to donation right away. My dealers don't want them. The flea market people don't even want them around here. They can't sell them for $1 a plate. Now, right now, the plates that they have on their website, the couple that they are offering, go for $50 to $150 for a plate. So if you're buying that thinking it's going to be a good investment, you're going to make more money down the road, take your money, put it in the bank. Much better deal. So, are they worth something? No, I'm sorry, they're just not. If you buy them because you enjoy them and you want to display them, that's great. But if you're buying them as an investment, it's a bad investment. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.